Hey, how you guys doing? Here I am at one of the many magical beaches that you will find in Borinquen. I come from Brooklyn, New York, forget about it. Have been living in this magical paradise for the last 13 years. In Brooklyn, my beaches and my rivers was my bathtub, and now here in Borinquen, this is my bathtub where my inner child comes out and plays again. Because here in Borinquen is where I connected deeply to nature and deeply to myself. Brooklyn, New York was nothing but a cage to me. You can check out my YouTube channel where I talk more about my bathtub. Please subscribe and follow me for more. Stay wild, everyone.